Hi everybody, it's Lisa from JoyfullyArt, here to do another video for you. First off, move my cup. I'm going to show you my plastic wrap smash from my last video. I hope I did Ann Osborne proud. I hope she looked at it. I think it turned out really great. I really love it. So let's set that one aside. I'll show you the colors I'm going to use today. This is a 14 by 14 canvas. I have Master's Touch Vermilion. I think I'll just toss them up there. Liquitex Basic Naples Yellow. Master's Touch Red Ochre. Hope you can see these. I'm not really looking. Deco Art Phthalo Turquoise. And this is Artist Loft Copper. And I cut my tubes in half so I can get the rest of the paint out of them. And this is Deco Art Yellow Gold. And I mixed it with Liquitex Basic Brilliant Yellow Green to get a really bright, nice color. And I do have some white mixed up in case I want to put some of it in. And this is the Deco Art enamel, satin enamel that we use to get like a cloud effect. So I'm going to put it down kind of as a base coat and kind of see what happens. We're just going to go for it today and just kind of see what transpires. I'm not sure what will go on, but we'll try it. I was going to put it down kind of willy-nilly. I forgot anything to spread with, but I got this little tool in case I wanted to swipe, so I think I'll just use it to spread it out a little bit. Got some bubbles, but I can pop those with my little tool here. There we go. Let me wipe that off. All right, and I think I'm gonna layer my cup. Get that out of the way. I really don't have a plan on what I'm doing, so I'm just kind of flying by the seat of my pants here. I thought we'll start with some red ochre. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Don't have my colors too close. I should have moved them up. And some Naples Yellow. Move my colors closer so I can get to them. And then the green gold mixture. And I think I'll go with the phthalo turquoise. And the vermilion. And I think I'll put some white. In between there. Cup's dripping. That off of there so it doesn't drip on the canvas. And I think I'll do one more layer and then put it down on the canvas. So, I don't think I put copper in there. So we'll put some copper in now. I think I missed my copper. Okay. Here we go again. So vermilion. Or no, this is red ochre. Naples yellow. And I have the phthalo turquoise. And I had the vermilion. I think I missed the yellow green, the yellow gold. There we go. Oh. Another little shot of white. And then just a little bit of copper to top it off. All right. Get my hand wiped off. Okay, like I said, I don't really know what's going to come out of this, but we'll give it the old college try, as they say. I think I'm going to do a couple big go-arounds here and see what happens. We will reserve some paint for later if we need it. If not, it's really pretty in there if you can see it. Have some for another canvas. It's really pretty down there. Give it a torch. Sure there's no air bubbles. All right, now gonna have to tilt it some, I believe. Let's see what we get. Don't have a whole lot of paint on here, so. Take it down this way. All right, let's bring it back. All right, let's try and get it this direction this time. goes. Oh, about lost my whole canvas there. All right, got this one more corner here. Let's see what we can do. I don't like that big glob of red right there, so let's try and get that off of there. I think it's moving slowly, but it's getting there. Come on, you can do it. Pretty sure you can. There we go. All right, let's see what we came up with here. I don't know if my clouds are gonna come up or not. Let's see, I think I wanna take it back this way some, so it doesn't look so stretched. Let's see. All right. See about my corners, my edges. See if my sides are all covered. Go this way. Everything seems pretty covered. I kind of like it. I think it looks pretty neat. I'm not sure about this right here. I'm not fancying that right there. I don't really want to stretch it too much more though. Maybe some clouds will show up after a while. Oh, I need to get my hands wiped off. Oh, what a mess. Got it everywhere. We'll give it one last torch. This is something really different for me. See what happens. Got a few cells coming up. See if any clouds work their way through. All right. There's a close-up for you all. I think it turned out pretty cool. I hope you like it. Hands wiped off again. I want to thank you for spending time with me today as I did this kind of experiment. I hope you'll subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have, I hope you'll share this with anyone you think will enjoy it, your friends or your family. And I hope you'll come back often to join me every week when I put out a new video. Leave me a comment on whether you like this or not, and tell me what other things you'd like to see me do. All my information will be in the drop box below if you want to get a hold of me for any reason whatsoever. And as always, please have a great day.